Alright, we got this 2000 degree solid copper cube. We're going to stick it on a piece of glass and see what happens. Okay, now we're going to try in some mayonnaise.
Holy cow. That really burns. Holy cow. What the hell?
That was cool.
It's like gas. Holy cow.
Alright, for our next experiment, we're going to try some lighters.
Holy cow. I don't want to get near that. Oh shit! Oh my god. That's crazy. One exploded. All the rest just kind of went off.
Okay, now we got an obsolete tablet we're going to try. For our next experiment, we're going to use baking soda. We're going to put it in the bottom. Then we're going to set that 2000 degree solid copper brick on top. We're going to pour some vinegar on top of that. Because vinegar and baking soda has a reaction anyway. We're going to see if it makes it a bigger.
Oh, what the? What the hell?
Oh shit.
How did that explode?
Okay, for our next experiment, we're going to put the copper cube on there and see if the copper conducts electricity, and we'll see if we can't get this LED bulb to light up. No, no light. Okay, now we're going to just try some flour. Alright, now we're going to try some plain old table sugar. That sugar burns pretty doggone good. Okay, we'll try some iodized salt next. Okay, for our next experiment, I'm going to set the copper cube on top of that. We're going to pour some coffee creamer on top and see what happens.
Holy cow.
Pretty cool.
Looks like diarrhea.
Well, I hope these little experiments, hope that you enjoyed these little experiments. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Have a good night.